How do Siberian Huskies react to loud noises or fireworks? Siberian Huskies are known for their stunning beauty, loyal nature, and strong work ethic. Originating from the harsh climates of Siberia, these dogs have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. However, when it comes to loud noises or fireworks, Siberian Huskies can display varying reactions. In this article, we will explore how these incredible creatures respond to such stimuli, as well as offer tips on how to calm and comfort them during those challenging times. First and foremost, it is important to understand that individual Huskies may have different reactions to loud noises or fireworks. Some dogs may display fear, while others might become anxious or even aggressive. This variety of responses can be attributed to several factors, including genetics, socialization, and past experiences. Genetics plays a significant role in the behavior of Siberian Huskies when faced with loud noises. Despite their tough exterior, these dogs have retained some of their natural instincts over the years. In the wild, loud noises, such as thunderstorms or explosions, can be associated with potential danger. As a result, some Huskies may instinctively demonstrate fear or try to find a safe place to hide when confronted with loud noises or fireworks. Socialization also plays a crucial role in shaping a Husky's response to loud noises. Proper socialization during their early development stages can help them become more confident and less fearful. Exposing them to different sounds and situations gradually can prove beneficial in minimizing their reactions to loud noises or fireworks. Creating positive associations with loud noises, such as rewarding them with treats or praise during exposure, can help them develop a more relaxed response. Past experiences can significantly impact a Husky's reaction to loud noises as well. If a dog had a negative encounter or traumatic experience associated with loud noises in the past, they are more likely to display fearful behavior when exposed to similar situations in the future. It is important to be understanding and patient with Huskies in such cases, offering reassurance and creating a secure environment to reduce their anxiety. Now that we have discussed the various factors that influence a Husky's reaction to loud noises or fireworks, it is essential to address how we can help them during those challenging moments. Here are some tips to calm and comfort your Siberian Husky. 1. Create a safe space. Identify a quiet and secure area in your home where your Husky can retreat during times of heightened noise. Provide comfortable bedding, toys, and familiar scents to help them feel secure. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your Husky with treats, praise, and affection when they display calm behavior during loud noises or fireworks. This positive reinforcement helps them associate such situations with positive experiences. 3. Provide white noise. Playing soft background music or turning on a television can help drown out the sound of fireworks and reduce the impact of loud noises on your Husky's anxiety levels. 4. Seek professional help. If your Husky's reaction to loud noises or fireworks is severe and affects their daily life, it might be beneficial to consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can provide specialized guidance and techniques to desensitize your Husky over time. 5. Avoid punishment. It is important to avoid punishing your Husky for their fearful behavior during loud noises or fireworks. This can worsen their anxiety and may lead to negative associations with you or the environment. 6. Provide comforting distractions. Engage your Husky in activities that divert their attention from the loud noises. Puzzle toys, interactive games, or engaging in exercises can help reduce their stress levels. In conclusion, Siberian Huskies may react differently to loud noises or fireworks due to various factors such as genetics, socialization, and past experiences. Understanding their individual reactions and implementing techniques to calm and comfort them can help minimize their anxiety. By creating a safe environment and using positive reinforcement, you can ensure that your Husky feels secure and supported during those challenging moments. Remember, patience and empathy are key when it comes to helping your Husky overcome their fear of loud noises or fireworks.